Cleanroom garments are one of the primary causes for alerts and actions. Only Kimtech Apparel has advanced clean don technology for reducing the risk of contamination during donning. Reusable gowns tested showed a 25% decline in bacterial filtration efficiency after laundering. Fabric degradation is visible at the sub-micron level and is enough to allow bacteria to penetrate through the material. The more times the reusable garment is processed, the bigger the decline in bacteria filtration efficiency. Kimtech is more reliable than reusable apparel to consistently reduce contamination risk. Are you doing all you can to protect your processes and workers? Find out how Kimtech can help. AreYouDressedForSuccess.com